Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are kicking off our series on monitoring an EKS cluster using Prometheus, Grafana and Alert Manager. This is part 1 of the series where we will cover the fundamentals of monitoring, what these tools do, how they work together, and why they are essential for keeping your applications running smoothly. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how Prometheus collect metrics, how Grafana visualize them, and how Alert Manager helps notify you when something goes wrong. So let's get started. So we will start first with what is Prometheus. Prometheus is an open source monitoring system that collects and stores time series data for your application and infrastructure. Prometheus is used by major companies for real time monitoring. It helps detect issues and trigger alerts when needed. And it is highly customizable. You can define custom metrics to monitor any aspect of your applications. The best part is, since it is open source and highly flexible, it has become one of the most popular monitoring tools in the DevOps world. Now we will see how Prometheus work. So let's see, you have an applications. So your applications, it could be Nginx, Java applications, database, nodes, anything that you want to monitor. The only requirement first is you have to expose the metrics via HTTP to the Prometheus server, and then Prometheus servers pull those metrics from the targets, and your targets are Nginx, Java applications, database, nodes, anything. So it pull those metrics from the targets based on the frequency that you define. So in this example or in this diagram, I have shown that frequency sets to 5 minutes. So Prometheus is pulling the metrics every 5 minutes and checking if it is up or down based on whatever the matrix is. So this is how Prometheus monitor or get the metrics of your application. So you can actually monitor the CPU utilization, memory utilizations, latency, error rates, anything. You can just get the data in the Prometheus using this approach. Okay, so now, like we have explored Prometheus. So Prometheus is great at collecting the data, right? We are getting so much data into Prometheus now. But what happens when something goes wrong? And that is where Alert Manager comes into the picture. Alert Manager is a tool that handles and routes alerts generated by Prometheus. So you can think of it like a fire alarm system for your infrastructure. Like Prometheus will detect issues like CPU high uses, server down, and Alert Manager send a notification based on the configuration like Slack, email, pager duty. So this is where the Alert Manager comes into the picture and how it integrates with Prometheus. In Alert Manager, you have an options to do the grouping. You have an option to mute some alerts based on the time, like your application is not 24 by 7. So you can mute the alerts in the night time. So all those customizable options are also present in Alert Manager. So this is how it looks like. You have a Prometheus server and then you have an Alert Manager. So now alert, right? I wanted to set up that I wanted to get an alert when there is a high CPU utilization. So those alerts you configured in Prometheus server, there is a YAML configurations that you put it there. And then you configure the data source of Alert Manager. So that actually you configured in the Alert Manager. You configure that data source that actually fetch all the alerts from the Prometheus. and then you send the notifications to the emails or Slack, whatever you have configured. So this is how it looks like. Okay. So now we have got Prometheus collecting metrics, alert manager sending alerts. How do we visualize the data now? Because lot of people, like even myself, suppose I wanted to see what is my application performance for the last 10 month or 2 months, how do I visualize that data? So for that, Grafana comes into the picture. Grafana is also an open source tool. It is a powerful visualization tool that helps you monitor and analyze your data from multiple sources in real time, and it creates beautiful charts and graphs so that your complex data you can actually easily visualize and understand it. And how Grafana gets the data? Grafana is an individual tool, right? How it will get the data from any of the data sources? So it actually works with multiple data sources. Like you can integrate it with Prometheus, you can integrate it with your AWS, where it will just monitor all the AWS services, databases, and any cloud services. So it has a potential to get integrated with a lot of other tools that are out market, and you can visualize it using Grafana. And this is how it looks like. You have a Prometheus server, Grafana dashboard, and then you configure the Prometheus data source so that Grafana can get the data. And then using prompt query is the Prometheus inbuilt query language that is used to get the metrics of your application, like CPU utilizations and all those things. So use those prompt queries. You can actually create the dashboard and visualize the metrics. Grafana also provides like already dashboard that you can directly use it, inbuilt dashboard, or you have an option to create it by yourself also, custom dashboard. Okay, so let's just bring everything together. So this is how it looks like at a large scale. Prometheus collects and stores metrics from your applications, nodes, and services. Alert Manager handles alerting and notifications when something goes wrong. And Grafana visualize this data and provide insights into your system health. So together, these three tools create a powerful monitoring solution for Kubernetes and cloud native applications. In the next video, we will deploy Prometheus, Grafana, and Alert Manager on an EKS cluster using Helm. I will guide you step by step through the installation and configuration process. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the next part. Comment below if you have any questions. Thank you.